Okay, welcome to my trade recap. So far I've took 3 trades this week. Maybe there'll be another trade to take today, but yeah, so far I don't see a setup. This week wasn't good at all. 3 trades, 3 losses. I know why. Let's analyze this real quick. And yes, so this was the first trade of the week. This one. To be honest, hold on real quick. I think I've already done a trade recap on this one. Do I? Hold on. Let me check real quick. Yeah, I've already done a trade recap on this one. So we're going to continue with this one. All right. This was on Wednesday. The overall, I'm not unsatisfied with the setup. Setup was decent, but like there were too many unsure things around uncertain things, like this fat ass daily gap we formed, which we only came to a little bit, and most of the times these daily gap get filled quite a lot. And yeah, but we were bullish on the 4-hour time frame. Right there, here you can see the daily gap. I marked that one out. Quite a big gap, and we haven't filled it on the 4-hour as well. So probably shouldn't have taken a long at this point. So okay. What were my confluences? We had Asian. Is this Asian? No, it's London session high. Right here, we broke through it, and right when New York opened, and right before that, we came back into it. Once we broke the structure to the upside again, scaled into the 5-minute, where we also had a 5-minute break of structure, and we had this 5-minute inverse value gap right here, which we came into, and after that, I entered the position. And as you can see, I got stopped out, yeah, on this candle, because the market decided to come down again and to retrace into the daily gap, which we can see on the 4-hour as well. There's so much shit going on the charts. Yeah, this was the move, the retrace the market did. And this retrace also cost me another loss. I can show you exactly why. Yeah. Okay, so notice how in this move down, there is not a single bullish candle, which means there's no high which has been formed. So we're still in a bullish uptrend. As I was scrolling through the other chart from Oanda, you can see that there is a bullish candle, which makes this one a high. And yeah, no, hold on. This one is now our new, hold on real quick. Yeah. Gonna have to check if everything's right. Scale to, yeah, but this candle we formed a new low. So this is a new low, this is a new high, and we've broken underneath the low, underneath underneath this low. So we had a 4-hour bearish breaker structure. And so that's switching up my trend. So now I'm looking for shorts. So far, like the setup was good again, but I was looking for shorts, even though we never were bearish. We always continued the bullish structure because on this time frame we did not break 4-hour structure to the downside. To be honest, I have no fucking idea why. Um, yeah, this one. So I'm gonna show you real quick. 4-hour low gets broken underneath, so I am looking for shorts. Here's something I do wanna. I think it's decent, to be honest. Within here, we had this London low. No, Asian low, sorry. This is Asian low. Broke through it, came right back into it, and scaled into the 5-minute. Broke structure to the downside on the 5-minute as well. Scaled into the 1-minute, where we had our inverse fair value gap right here. And yeah, once I saw that, I just entered the position and it immediately sucked me out. Yeah, but I would have never taken that trade if we, yeah, if we hadn't broken structure to the downside, which we did on this chart. There's something I want to check real quick. Maybe if I'll change my time zone to New York. Changed. Why the fuck did nothing change? Happens if I change this one. This is set to New York. All right. If I set this to Berlin. Oh, so okay, so these time frames are just different. I don't know which time frame is correct though, so I'll set both of them to New York. And I'll probably go with the FX time frame because it's actual FTMO. Think so? I think it's actually FTMO. Oh, that's not the right one. This one. Let me see. It's not FTMO, but yeah. So that's it for my trade recaps. From these last two trades, could have gone a lot better. Yeah.